Go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem there on that one side, put one finger in there and push it left. While it's pushed left, open up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Put it in, pull it back, and now the hood is secure in place. Now once the hood is open, that right there where the engine air filter is in that air box, first we have to take off 5 clips. One, the second one over there, and there's enough space for me to get my hand in there and pull the clip back. The third one in the front, the fourth one over here, and then the fifth one in the back there. Pull that off, and now you can simply lift up the cover. There's nothing else holding it in place, and the filter is right over there. Just get the filter and pull it out, and it comes right out. Let's take a closer look at the filter itself. That is the bottom side, which is dirty. That's where all the dirt and particulates are trapped, because the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets filtered over there, and then clean air goes into the engine from the top. Before you put the new filter back in, if you want, you can clean that air box over there. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do it. Put the new filter back in. For now, I'm just going to put my old filter back in. The filter should just drop right in. There should be no movement. It should just fit in properly. Put the cover back on, press it down, and let's start putting those 5 clips back in their position. 1, 2, and you'll only be able to put these clips back on if the cover is properly in place and you're pressing down on it. So that's the third one, the fourth one in the back there, and finally the fifth one, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push it and take load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.